Bitcoin is right now in a correction, but how deep can we actually go, and will Bitcoin recover from it and go back to the upside? That is something that I want to talk about today. Hi guys, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's get here as usual straight into the charts. So I'm here on the 1 hourly chart on Bitcoin, and you can see here that from this area onwards, we had here a huge move to the upside all the way to $42,407 approximately. So, and then we started to move here sideways, created here a local high, so at $42,629 approximately, and we're continuing to move here sideways, and we were potentially forming here a bull flag. So, but unfortunately that bull flag broke to the downside, and now the price is still going down here in a downwards channel like this, if you want to call it that. So, but I see here also signs right now that we might come here really soon to an end of this downwards move here. So, and let me show you why I believe this. So for once on the 1 hourly chart, we have perfectly got supported by the 200 moving average here. So you can see that here in these two candles, we wicked under it, but came straight back up, and now we are trading above it again, which is a good sign. So, and the other indicator that we have potentially bottomed out is here on the 4 hourly chart. And I had always mentioned to you guys, there is the potential that this resistance box, which should have been support now here in green. So this box here, let me make this box red again, because it's again resistance. I always mentioned to you guys that there is a possibility that we get above that box, but then when we get a correction, drop back into the box. So, and that this would be the best case scenario for a potential correction, that we get supported within the box, and that is exactly what is happening right now, and we are not dropping out of the box. So that would be the worst scenario. So that is right now not happening. We got really nice supported here within the box for now, even if we wicked under it. But also here we came straight back up into the box. So as long as we stay within the box, in my opinion, we will move here really quick back to the upside outside of the box and continue our uptrend here. But when I go now back here to the 1 hourly chart, I also want to talk about something bearish here, what is unfolding on the 1 hourly chart. So, and that is unfortunately that the EMA ribbon is now again in a downwards trend. So because we have here flipped again the ribbon, where the yellow string is trending to the downside. So, and yeah, every time when the yellow string is flipping to the downside, then we are in a downtrend, and when it's here, like here, to the upside, then we are in an uptrend. So for now we are in a downtrend, and we also had here the retest of the yellow ribbon. So that is also something that happens all the time when we are trading under the ribbon, that we get the price action coming up and test the yellow string to confirm that this is right now resistance, and that we are actually in a downtrend here on the 1 hourly chart. So let us check how the 4 hourly is looking on the EMA ribbon. So there we are still in an uptrend, and we got here really nice supported also within the EMA ribbon for now. So, and here's a really good sign. We went all the way to the bottom of the ribbon, and from there we came back up, and we are now in the middle of the ribbon. So, and when we have a test of the bottom of the ribbon, then and we come back up, then usually we are continuing also our upwards move and not going lower here. So there is still a potential that here the yellow ribbon starts now its way working into the ribbon, sorry, the yellow string works its way into the ribbon, and then it will also twist and flip again, to the downside, but for now, I don't believe that that is a valid scenario. So let us take here the EMA ribbon away. So here is now something, and I'm pretty sure I'm the first one who is seeing this as a potential pattern that is playing out here. It's not complete, so, but I think I'm the first one pointing this out here on YouTube. So, and that is that we're potentially forming here on the 4-hourly chart a bigger head and shoulders pattern. So, and if I'm correct with that, let me show it to you guys. So if I just take the wicks like this, and then I take it from the high point, so I measure the target. So then you see, if we would break here at any point, then the other scenario will play out that I also had mentioned to you guys. If we drop out of that resistance box here, then the next box under us will be the support level. So, and look where the technical target for this potential head and shoulders would line up. So it's all the way down here at $35,100. So, and if this is playing out, then we can obviously short this. So here, once we are breaking this neckline here, that would be then our entry. So, and that could give a really, really nice opportunity to take here a short position. And guys, don't forget, if you want to take here advantage of the trades that I give, go to the pinned comment below. There are my affiliation links to Bybit and to Phemex, where you can get a bonus after an initial deposit. And another thing that I wanted to point out, guys, before I forget it, today is the last day. There are only a few hours left, guys, only a few hours to get the $1,610 bonus on Bybit. It is expiring today. So if you want to take this bonus, you have to act really, really quick right now. So let's go back here to the chart. So, but I found here also something absolutely bullish, and I did not look for a long, now for a couple of days on it. And that is here the BLX chart. So you can see here within the parabolic curve here on the weekly chart, we got here perfectly supported in the parabolic curve how this is actually happening all the time in the bull run. So we got here this candle touching, and then we got a bounce to the upside with the weekly candle that we have right now. And that was exactly what we wanted to see. That was also exactly what I was expecting. I had mentioned that a couple weeks ago in a video where I was talking about the BLX, that we come potentially down here to that parabolic curve, test this level, and then continue to move here into higher levels. So, and now you can see here we got rejected at the resistance point here on the BLX. And that was around $43,260 on the BLX chart. On the spot chart, we did not go that high. Sorry, 42,526. And the higher target would be, the next resistance after that would be $47,535. So I really believe that potentially we could have bottomed out here already from this drop, but because we are we are here trading under the EMA ribbon. Oh, sorry. It could be that we see a little bit more sideways action above the 200 EMA on the 1-hourly chart before we go here up again and flip the ribbon again to the upside and establish here a new uptrend in Bitcoin right now. So, and then let's have a look how my trade is going. My trade is deeply underwater right now, but that's absolutely fine. I'm not concerned about it. I want to be here absolutely transparent with you guys, so I'm not hiding if I lose a trade or not. So, and yeah, this trade is right now in minus 50%. But guys, remember, I had always said that at a certain point, and that comes really, really soon, I will add more to this trade. And that will then also average down my entry and will then also average down the liquidation price. So in that case, I will not get liquidated if the price is further dropping. And that is what I'm speculating on. So I will here pretty soon add to my trade here to avoid getting liquidated. So then let's go one more time here back to the 4-hourly chart. And I want to have a look here on the volume. So you can also see here that the initial drop here on the volume we had here overall in this whole upwards move, declining volume. So that is also a really big sign that this upwards move here in this section was actually not sustainable, because what you want to see when the price is going higher is that the volume stays at least the same and is not declining. So, and that's it already for today, guys. So the conclusion is, I believe that Bitcoin has already potentially bottomed out here, because we are still trading in the resistance box. So that was the best case scenario. And yeah, I don't think that we go much lower from here, and that we should continue to trade in the, to the upside in the next coming days. So as usual, guys, please destroy the YouTube algorithm, smash up the likes, click subscribe, click the notification bell. And as usual, guys, see you tomorrow.